On Earth, water is considered essential for life. However, in the harsh Sahara Desert, covering over 9 million square kilometers, daytime temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius, and at ground level, sand temperatures can reach up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. At night, temperatures can drop sharply by 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. In such an extreme environment, where temperature changes drastically between day and night, survival becomes a real challenge for most creatures. Yet some animals have developed incredible adaptations that allow them to live their entire lives without needing to drink water. Let's discover these 10 extraordinary animals. Number 10. Fennec Fox. The fennec fox is the world's smallest fox, measuring only 30 to 40 centimeters in length, with distinctive ears that can grow up to 15 centimeters. These long ears aren't just adorable, they also serve as a highly efficient cooling mechanism. The ears are packed with blood vessels that help dissipate heat, keeping the fox from overheating. Its thick gray fur reflects sunlight during the day and insulates the body against the desert's cold at night. Fennec foxes spend their days hiding in deep burrows they dig themselves, avoiding the sun and minimizing water loss. At night, when temperatures drop, they emerge to hunt. Their diet consists of roots and leaves to extract moisture, with occasional insects and lizards as a treat. As long as there are plants, they can survive without direct water sources. Number 9. Gazelle. The gazelle is one of the symbols of resilience in the Sahara Desert. Measuring between 90 and 110 centimeters in length, the gazelle is small compared to other antelope species, but possesses remarkable endurance. They can survive for weeks without drinking by absorbing water from food, particularly from cactus leaves and desert melons. They are most active during dawn, dusk, and nighttime to avoid the scorching heat of the day. However, gazelles face the threat of extinction due to human hunting and habitat degradation. Over the last decade, their population has declined by 80%, making them critically endangered. Number 8. North African ostrich. This is the world's largest bird, with an average height of 2.5 meters and a weight of over 150 kilograms. The North African ostrich has a long, featherless neck, usually red or pinkish, making it easily identifiable and aiding in temperature regulation. This ostrich has developed a unique circulatory system to withstand extreme desert heat, even when temperatures reach 56 degrees Celsius at noon. Though they don't drink water, they can survive for months by extracting moisture from their food. Their powerful legs allow them to run at speeds of over 70 kilometers per hour, helping them evade threats in this harsh environment. Number 7. Desert monitor lizard. The desert monitor lizard is one of the larger predators in the Sahara, measuring close to 1 meter in length. As an indiscriminate carnivore, it feeds on insects, small animals, venomous snakes, and even carrion, thanks to its immunity to snake venom. This lizard is primarily active at night or early morning when temperatures are cooler. During the summer, when temperatures peak and food is scarce, the desert monitor can enter a state of estivation, conserving energy and avoiding the extreme heat. This adaptive behavior allows it to survive both high temperatures and food scarcity in the desert. Number 6. Jerboa. The jerboa is an adorable creature with large eyes, a big head, and long legs, allowing it to leap up to 3 meters to avoid predators. Measuring an average of 10 centimeters with a 20-centimeter tail, it moves quickly and agilely. Although it doesn't need to drink water, the jerboa sustains itself by absorbing moisture from desert plant roots and seeds, occasionally supplementing its diet with insects. Its strong legs help it evade danger and thrive in the challenging Sahara environment. Number 5. Israeli Deathstalker scorpion. The Israeli Deathstalker scorpion is one of the most venomous animals in the world, also known as the killer of the desert. It is widely distributed in the Sahara Desert and can also be found in the Thar Desert of India and Pakistan. It has a yellow, dark brown, or black body and is known for its aggressive behavior. When it attacks, the Deathstalker scorpion stings repeatedly, injecting venom that can cause intense pain, muscle spasms, and even cardiac arrest if untreated. Its ability to survive in such a harsh environment showcases its incredible adaptability. Number 4. Sahara Silver Ant. The Sahara Silver Ant is the world's most heat-resistant insect. It can survive in temperatures as high as 70 degrees Celsius. This ant is also the fastest among the 12,000 known ant species, moving at a speed of 85 millimeters per second, which is 108 times its body length. Every day, Sahara silver ants venture out for only about 10 minutes to forage, then quickly return to their nest before the temperature becomes unbearable. During this short period, they use their speed to gather food and swiftly return to safety. Number 3. Saharan Horned Viper. The Saharan horned viper is easily recognized by its horn-like scales above its eyes. Measuring between 30 to 60 centimeters, this viper is one of the most feared creatures in the Sahara due to its venom, which causes intense pain and burning sensations. To avoid detection, they often bury themselves in the sand and strike suddenly when prey approaches. Their movement is also unique. Rather than slithering like typical snakes, they press their body against the sand to generate traction, allowing them to glide across the loose desert terrain. Number 2. West African Crocodile. Yes, you heard it right. There are crocodiles in the desert. Known as the West African crocodile, this species is smaller than other crocodiles and has a paler color. Initially, scientists believed these were a subspecies of the Nile crocodile, but further research identified them as a distinct species. The West African crocodile has adapted to endure long periods without water or food, spending the dry season in caves and emerging only during brief rainy periods. Unlike other crocodile species, these crocodiles are relatively peaceful and non-aggressive. Locals treat them with respect, believing that where crocodiles are found, water is near, making them a sign of hope in the arid desert. Number 1. Dromedary Camel. Finally, we have the Dromedary Camel, the iconic ship of the desert and an indispensable symbol of Sahara. With its gentle temperament and remarkable heat and thirst tolerance, the Dromedary Camel is uniquely adapted to desert life. Unlike the two-humped Bactrian camel, the dromedary has a single hump that stores fat, which it converts into water and energy when needed. This camel can survive 10 to 15 days without drinking, even while carrying heavy loads. In the blazing desert heat, its body temperature can reach 41 degrees Celsius, and it only starts sweating when the temperature exceeds this threshold. In the Sahara's extreme environment, the dromedary camel is undoubtedly one of the most enduring and powerful creatures, demonstrating extraordinary survival abilities. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the fascinating world of Sahara's unique desert-dwelling animals that survive without water. If you enjoyed this content, please share it with friends, hit the like button, and follow me for more intriguing discoveries. See you next time.